and welcome to Hedgehog Hollow and welcome to our first monthly subscription box. We're so excited to share with you all the fun things we've put inside our boxes this month. They are all out and on their way to you. So in today's email, you will have a link to this video. You will also have a coupon code for Ellen Hutson for 10% off any purchase. There is a Hedgehog Hollow link for that in there too. Plus we've listed out everything that's in your box, everything we use to die cut the pieces in your box, which you'll see later on, and also any supplies that you need to make the videos as well. So we're really excited to be sharing this with you. We thought we would do around 50 boxes. We actually did over 500 boxes. So thank you every single one of you who ordered a box. If you missed out last month's, next month's box is on the website and we'll put a link in the description for you as well, so you can check that out. And we've got an exclusive Mini Winnie stamp set coming from Little Darlings Rubber Stamps next month. And also we wanted to thank you all for your patience. We know it's been about a week longer than we thought this month. First of all, Fawn had to manufacture extra things because there's so many boxes going out. And plus we had a few teething issues both with processes, and the boxes arrived and they were misprinted. So we had to get a new batch expedited, which just took a little bit longer than we thought. But they're all on their way to you and I'm excited to see what you think. So I have a box right here. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Let's talk about the box itself. I'm so pleased with the design and I hope you love yours when it arrives in your mailbox. On the front we have the lovely new Hedgehog Hollow logo and these polka dots. I love anything pink, spotty, and I'm always wearing black and white. I'm sure you've noticed that in our videos. We also have the logo and our web page on the side for you. Plus on the front here we have this panel that says crafted by us, brought to life by you. And we did that because we felt like we've handcrafted these. I closed every single box myself and sealed it up to make sure they were correct. And we want you to bring these supplies to life. So we have 4 videos coming up, plus there's actually going to be a bonus video this month because of a late change in the box. But let's now open it up. So once you break the seal, when you open it up, you've got this gorgeous bright pink tissue paper in here and one of our Hedgehog Hollow logo seals on there. So when you break that seal and you open it up, this is what you will see inside. So you will have a card that I hand wrote to each and every one of you. There's a different message. My one is blank here, but there's a message on that for you as well. And then you have this card that Kelly designed for you. I absolutely love how we brought the pink in from the tissue paper, and we have those polka dots as well. There's a list of what should be in there. Now there was a change. This says you have an acrylic block. That isn't in there, but there is a different stamp set in there instead of the acrylic block, which we'll get to. Also, if you do an unboxing video yourself of this box, please do share it with us. You can either email it to us or use our hashtag, which is on there if you post anything on Instagram about the box. And we will be having monthly giveaways for people who send in their videos or use the hashtag as well. And then you also have how you can visit and connect with us, and we'd love for you to share this box. On the other side, it tells you to check your email for your 10% off code. That's in the email that we sent with this video. And it also a little bit of an introduction from me as well. So that's the first things you will see when you open your box. Now let's have a look what we have in store for you. So there's going to be some new glitter twine in here. This is the ocean twine. You may also have a meadow twine or one of the silver glitter twines. So one of those three will be in your box, and it was just a random pick out the box as to which one we sent out. You also have the spring sprig that we're going to use to make a gorgeous Happy Easter card. You could also personalise this for Christmas cards. You could make holly wreaths with berries. You've got the flowers we're going to put on there as well. A really versatile set, which is why I chose this one, because you really could do it for any season. You also, instead of the acrylic block, you have the year 8 anniversary stamp set. So this is a Chinese cookie in here, fortune cookie, and I'm going to be showing you a bonus project on how to use this as well, but that's in there instead of your acrylic block. I'll get to the Fireflies in a second as well, but you have some candy to enjoy while you're working on your box and looking through. You also have the slide on over semicircles. So these are great for slider cards. You can do all sorts of fun things, and we're going to be showing you a way to make a slider card. No fear whatsoever, it's super easy design, but we're going to be making a Happy Easter card using these slide on over semicircles. You also have the new Sun Bunny stamp set. I love this one. You can use it for new babies, you can use it for Easter, use birthday in here, all sorts of fun things. And we're going to be making a couple of cards using this stamp set as well. Plus I did like this Happy Easter, it's a really nice size. And I think we can use it in lots of different ways too. Also in your box, I'm just going to put these to the side, you have a little Ziploc. And this Ziploc is full of die cuts that we've done for you. So these are, there's some hillsides for our pivot pop-ups, there's grasses, there's soil, there's some leaves, and there's one of the quilted backgrounds in there as well. We actually did over 3,500 die cuts for this month's box. So we cut all of these for you so you can try out lots of different things as well when we make our projects. Plus you also have some other pieces of cardstock we'll be using in the projects. Some 6x6 pieces of paper, again these are for your projects. Plus you have one of the glue tubes if you are either a regular subscriber or maybe if you pre-ordered or pre-ordered, there were some bonuses. So one of those bonuses was this new glue tube from Fawn. It's really nice. It hasn't clogged up on me at all. I've used this loads since I got one at Creativation. It's got a nice fine nozzle tip on it, and we're going to be using this a lot throughout our projects as well. Some other bonuses you might have in your box are some paper samplings. So you might either have some of the new Plaid designs on here. You may have some of the new Gingham. These are the Gingham papers, so you may have that as your sampler. Or you might have the new rainbow as your sampler, and these are the rainbow papers here. So you may have a paper sampling as well if you fall into one of the regular or pre-orders into there as well. And another possible bonus you might have are the little fireflies. These are so cute. We're going to embellish a card that we make. If you have these, you'll want to add those on. They're also great for light out cards, plus you can make them double-sided as well. So some really fun things in there too. Plus, every single person has 5 pieces of the Nina Solar White. It's a little bit thinner than what I regularly use, but they were out of stock of the 110. So this is the £90 cardstock. But you have 5 pieces, 4 card bases, and then 1 for all your stamping as well on there too. So that's the contents of this month's box. As I say, don't forget to check the email that came with this if you are a subscriber to the box. It will have your Ellen Hutson coupon code and all of those supply lists on there as well, plus links to anything that we might be using in the boxes as well. Thank you so much for your order. If you didn't order this month's box or you missed out, I know some of you, they were sold out by then, you can get next month's Little Darlings Rubber Stamps box with our exclusive Mini Winnie stamp set at thehedgehoghollow.com/shop. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you're new to Hedgehog Hollow, do hit that subscribe button to get all of our videos. We hope you really enjoy your box, and we look forward to seeing what you create. Happy stamping. Bye.